Hello students, we will carry forward our topic living world and classification of microbes. In this topic our next subtopic is classification of microbes. Microbes or microorganisms. मायक्रोऑर्गॅनिझम ज्यांना आपण मराठीमध्ये सूक्ष्मजीव असंही म्हणतो. मायक्रोऑर्गॅनिझम एक्सेप्ट बॅक्टेरिया हॅव इकोरायटिक सेल स्ट्रक्चर. The size of bacteria is so small, so we will measure size in the unit of micrometer and nanometer. 1 meter equal to 10 raised to 6 micrometer and 1 meter equal to 10 raised to 9 nanometer. Our first microorganism we will learn will be bacteria. The size of bacteria is up to 1 micrometer to 10 micrometer. Bacteria are useful as well as harmful to us. Bacteria are unicellular, independent of parasitic organisms. Bacteria together form colonies. They will double in 20 minutes. Bacteria cell is prokaryotic with cell wall with distinct nucleus and cell organelles are absent. The reproduction of bacteria. Bacteria are reproduced by simple binary fission and grow vigorously. Example are Coccus, Bacillus and Vibrio. The next microorganism will be protozoa. The size of protozoa is approximately 200 micrometer. Protozoa are found in soil, fresh water and sea water on our earth from lack of years. These are unicellular organisms with eukaryotic cell and those are reproduced by simple cell division like as bacteria. Example are amoeba, paramecium. The next microorganism will be fungi. The size of fungi will be approximately 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer. Those are found on decaying organic matter like dead bodies of plants and animals. They are saprotrophic. Some are unicellular organisms and some are multicellular organisms. Some fungi we will see by our naked eyes. Example as mushroom. Then they reproduce by sexually or asexually, by cell division or by budding. Then next microorganism will be algae. Algae have chloroplast in cell. So algae is autotrophic, means algae prepare its own food. Algae is aquatic, means that will found in water. Then that will be eukaryotic cell structure. Then algae is unicellular as well as multicellular. Then fifth one will be the viruses. The size of viruses is measured in nanometer, approximately 10 nanometer to 100 nanometer. Viruses or microorganisms are on the edge of living and non-living things or non-living microorganisms. These are visually through electron microscope. Then it is a long molecule of DNA and RNA covered by protein. Then it is a microorganism which we never see in our naked eyes, and the size of viruses is so small than size of other microorganisms. They survive in living organism and cause many diseases to them in plants and animals. Example are wilt virus in plants and polio, HIV virus in human.